a row has broken out over a social media post by the Congress party. It's a jibe. It was a jibe at the BJP, where they say that when it's time to take responsibility, then the leaders are missing. But this picture of a headless person, so the Congress is jibe there at the BJP, but the BJP now hitting back and saying the Congress is taking orders from Pakistan and alleging a Congress-Pakistan jugalbandi. But let's just listen into what BJP leader Anurag Thakur had to say.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा है कि अगर तुम एक बूंद भी खून बहाओगे, हम एक बूंद भी पानी का जाने नहीं देंगे, और इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी को सस्पेंड किया है। लेकिन कांग्रेस और कुछ विपक्षी दलों की क्या मजबूरी है कि पाकिस्तान के बोल बोलने जरूरी है, पाकिस्तान का समर्थन करना जरूरी है? क्या उनको भारत के लोगों का खून बहता, इस पर उनका खून खौलता नहीं है? क्या पाकिस्तान से बदला लेने का उनका दिल करता नहीं है? भारत में रहकर भारत के खिलाफ बोल ये कांग्रेस और उनके सहयोगी दलों के हैं।
आतंकी शक्ति, राक्षसी शक्ति, पाकिस्तान की सोच, आतंकियों की सोच और कांग्रेस पार्टी की सोच, ये एक तरफ है। देखिए, मैं आपको क्यों कहता हूं कि ये सिग्नल है, सिग्नल उधर से आता है, टावर कांग्रेस का पकड़ता है और यहां से सिग्नल भेजा जाता है।
देखिए, विपक्ष तो हमेशा गायब रहते हैं। ऑल पार्टी मीट जब आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री ने किया, गृह मंत्री गए कश्मीर, हमारे नेता एकनाथ जी शिंदे स्वयं गए, और वहां आप ऐसे घिनौनी हरकत करते हैं और गायब कहते हैं। अभी आपको पता चलेगा कि देश ने तो आपको गायब किया है, लेकिन देश मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में आतंकवादियों को गायब जरूर करेंगे।
ये वक्त पाकिस्तान के उन मंसूबों पर हमला करने का है जिन्होंने 26 निर्दोष लोगों की जानें ली। मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी की इस अभियान की निंदा करता हूं। काश खड़गे जी पाकिस्तान की सरकार के द्वारा किए गए कुकृत्य पर सवाल उठाते। काश वो विदेश नीति जो वहां की है, आतंकियों को मदद करने की, उस पर सवाल उठाते तो अच्छा होता। कांग्रेस पार्टी के कुछ नेताओं के बयान हमारा सैनिकों का मनोबल बढ़ाने के बजाय पाकिस्तान के सैनिकों का मनोबल बढ़ा रहे हैं।
Aishwarya, so at a time when the Congress has also, we've seen Congress President and Rahul Gandhi have written to the Prime Minister asking for a special Parliament session to convey the, unity among all the parties. And now this jibe, however, has angered the BJP.
Well, massive political row has erupted after this social media post by the official handle of the Indian National Congress. It is the Congress party and the opposition leaders who have been stating that why Prime Minister was not present in the all-party meeting, and if Prime Minister would have been there, then the dignity of that meeting would have increased. Prime Minister is not willing to speak to the opposition leaders at this point of time. The jibe certainly, and that picture at this point of time is unnecessary. This has two points over here. One, that Congress party and their leaders had been stating that they are completely standing with the government in an action that the government is willing to take against the perpetrators of terrorists, and the government's action is something that the Congress will support. On the other side, they are taking a jibe on the Prime Minister of our country. Remember, he's just not the leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, but he is the Prime Minister. He's sitting on a constitutional post. The Bharatiya Janata Party has hit out at the Congress party over this particular tweet stating that this is a jugalbandi with Pakistan of the Congress party. They are using the same sort of words that Pakistan want to rake up. They wanted to demean the position of somebody who is sitting on a constitutional post of a Prime Minister. And at this point of time, when the entire country should unite together, they are trying to demean and disrespect a person who had given a stern message to Pakistan that that the Indian government is doing all sort of actions to to isolate Pakistan and had also taken certain decisions that had cornered Pakistan in the meeting that Prime Minister chaired as far as CCS is concerned. So clearly, war of words have erupted. Congress party on one side stating that Prime Minister should come and address and call a all-party meeting. On the other side, it is the Bharatiya Janata Party who had been saying that these are the same words that are being used by the Pakistanis, and now Congress also making those claims here in India as well.